Hello, my little friend. I'm so happy you're here today. Today we're going on a confidence adventure. Have you ever felt nervous? Maybe before school. Maybe before trying something new. Or maybe before meeting new friends. That's okay. Everyone feels that way sometimes. Today we're going to practice feeling strong, brave, and confident. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is confidence? Confidence means believing in yourself. It means saying, I can do this. Even when something feels difficult. Even when something feels new. Even when you're a little nervous. Because confidence grows every time we try. Let's take a confidence breath together. Sit up tall. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Imagine you're filling your heart with courage. And slowly breathe out. Let your worries float away. Let's do that again. Breathe in confidence. And breathe out doubt. Wonderful. Now let's stand tall. Put your feet on the ground. Lift your chest. Stand like a superhero. Strong. Brave. Powerful. Can you stand tall with me? Amazing. Let's say some confidence words together. Repeat after me. I am strong. I am brave. I can learn new things. I can try my best. I believe in myself. Wonderful job. Now stretch your arms wide. Stretch your legs apart. Make a big star shape. Take up space. Shine bright. Just like a star in the night sky. Hold your star pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself doing something amazing. Maybe learning something new. Maybe helping a friend. Maybe trying your very best. See yourself smiling. See yourself feeling proud. See yourself feeling confident. Remember something important. You don't have to be perfect. You only have to try. Every time you try, you grow stronger. Every time you practice, you grow more confident. And that is something very special. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big smile. And a big round of applause. Thank you for joining me on this confidence adventure. Keep believing in yourself. Keep shining. Keep being amazing. I'll see you next time.